Virabhadrasana-Parshva Uttanasana Vinyasa. Keep your feet together. Place the right foot at 45 degrees angle to the left foot. Now take one last step forward using the left foot such that the left heel and the right heel are along the same line. Ensure that your hips are facing forward. Place the arms by the sides of your body. As you inhale, raise the arms from the front and bend the left knee, keeping the right leg straight behind you. Join the palms above your head. As you exhale, bring your arms down, slowly bend forward, straighten your front knee, and place your palms on the floor beside your left foot. Ensure that the weight of your body is split between both your feet. Inhale, come up while raising the arms as you bend the front knee forward. Exhale and slowly bring your arms down beside your body and straighten the front knee. Repeat this sequence with the left leg forward 3 more times. Inhale, bend forward, palms touching each other. Exhale, come down, straighten your front knee, hands beside your feet. Inhale, come back, knee bending forward. Exhale, hands down, and your knee straightens. Do this on your own 2 more times. Now, let's do the entire sequence on the right leg. Place the left foot at 45-degree angle to the right foot. Now take one last step forward using the right foot such that the right heel and the left heel are along the same line. Straighten your hips, face forward, hands beside the body. As you inhale, bend the knee facing forward, raise your arms up, and touch your palm. As you exhale, straighten your knee and bend forward. Place your hands beside your feet on the floor. Inhale, come back to the initial position. Bend your forward knee, raise your arms, touch your palms. Exhale, straighten your knee, and bring your hands back down. Repeat this cycle 2 more times on your own.